Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI world. Today we're diving into something you might use every day without even thinking about it: search and how it plays a huge role in AI. Let's start with something we've all experienced. Imagine you're driving from your home to a familiar location. Now, if you know the route well, you might wonder, why would I even need a GPS, right? Well, I use Google Maps all the time, even for routes I know like the back of my hand. And there's a good reason for it. Even though I know the roads pretty well from my house in New Jersey to New York City, I still use Google Maps for several reasons. First, there could be road work or closed roads that I'm not aware of. Accidents might be causing delays, and I definitely want to avoid those. Plus, the weather might mess with traffic flow. These are things I wouldn't know without real-time data. Google Maps helps me make better decisions by finding the fastest and most efficient route based on all these variables. But what Google Maps is really doing is searching for the best possible path. It takes my starting location, my destination, and all these little constraints, like traffic, accidents, and even if I want to avoid toll roads, and gives me the most efficient route. This is where search algorithms in AI come in. You see, search in AI is about transitioning from one state to another, kind of like moving from one point on a map to your destination. But here's where it gets tricky. The search space, or all the possible routes, is getting more and more complex as the amount of data explodes. Think about it. AI has to consider so many variables like traffic updates, road closures, and even alternate routes with scenic views. So to manage this complexity, AI systems need to be really smart about how they search. They have to be efficient with memory, resources, and computing power. Despite how advanced computers are today, this is still a massive challenge. Now, let me talk about something that makes search smarter in AI: heuristics. A heuristic is basically a shortcut, a rule of thumb that helps the system find solutions faster. A famous example of this is IBM's Deep Blue, the AI that beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. This victory was all about how well Deep Blue used search techniques combined with heuristics. In chess, the starting state is the board layout, and the goal is checkmate. The AI had to search through countless possible moves, but it didn't just brute force its way through. That would take way too long. Instead, it used heuristics, simple rules to decide which moves to consider and which to ignore. It's kind of like driving into New York City. You probably know it's a bad idea to drive during rush hour, right? So you create a rule for yourself. Avoid driving between 4 and 6 p.m. That's a heuristic, simple but effective most of the time. Heuristics are everywhere in AI. Even when you use Google to search the web, the AI has to decide which of the millions of web pages to show you. It uses a heuristic called the PageRank algorithm. It checks how many other pages link back to a certain page, assuming that the more links it has, the more important it must be. Heuristics help AI systems cut down the complexity of search, making them faster and more efficient. This is why they're a critical area of research in AI today. So next time you use Google Maps or even search something online, remember, there's a whole lot of smart searching going on behind the scenes, powered by AI. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more insights into the amazing world of AI. Drop a comment below. Do you use Google Maps? And how has AI made your life easier? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.